Today we are making a quick Chinese comfort food, pan-fried corn cake. In Chinese, it's named 玉米粑粑. This dish is quite nostalgic to me because my mom used to make it a lot, especially in summertime when we had extra corn in a village that I grew up in. Anyway, so once we remove the corn from the cup, transfer to a blender, blend into the soft, mushy texture. To season, we add sugar, sticky rice flour starch, and melted butter. Back then, we didn't have butter, so I just added that in as an extra bonus to the recipe. Once we heat up some cooking oil, adding a small amount of corn batter to cook for 3 minutes on medium heat. Flip and continue cooking on the other side for additional 5 minutes on medium-low heat with the lid on. Both sides are golden brown and fluffy. That's when you know they are ready. My full recipe is in a bio link. This dish can be served as a part of breakfast, and it's gluten-free. It can be also served as a snack and a dessert. What do you think? Let me know.